How to sign in Shein account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Shein application, or you can also open Shein in a web browser. Once opened, you will see the sign in option there. Tap on that and now you will be led to the sign in page of Shein. So go ahead and enter your email address or phone number associated with Shein account and then tap on the continue button you see there. Or you can also tap on the continue with Google or Facebook or Apple account and sign in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. I will sign in using my email address. So if you are signing in with your email address too, then once you have entered your email address, tap on continue, and in the interface that you will then be led to, you will be prompted to enter your account password. So go ahead and enter your account password, and further, you will receive a verification code in the email address that you just entered. So go ahead and enter the verification code sent to you and then tap on the submit button, and with this you will be signed in to Shein. So this is how you can sign in to Shein account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.